Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Tab for you, 2021 Kubota B2601 with an LA 435 Swift Tach loader with skid steer quick Tach, 60-inch front loader bucket. Tractor has 19 hours on it. Local one owner tractor. Guy bought it brand new, did not use it. R4 tires. All the little tits are still on the tires. He never had anything on the 3-point that you can see. It's literally like a brand new tractor. Drawbar. Everything there is complete. Again, this has powertrain warranty until 11/14 of 27. We'll start here under the hood. Tractor is, like I said, in beautiful, meticulous condition. Very, very well kept tractor, but again, only 16 hours. Powered by a 3-cylinder Kubota diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of that nature. Obviously, it's under warranty. Very cut and dried. Antifreeze, batteries up front. Cooler. Does have a grill guard. Standard 2-pin skid loader quick Tach. Looks like he took out a couple buckets of ashes with his furnace and probably pushed a little bit of snow. And that's it. It is like new tractor. Rear tires are loaded. It is the R4 tire package. You can purchase a deck and put underneath this tractor very easily. If you want to run a finish mower out the back, anything like that, you can. Standard category 1 3-point hitch, 540 PTO, drawbar, top link, folding roll bar, SMV sign, and the toolbox. I like tractors like this. It takes the guesswork out of it for you. It's a brand new tractor, basically. Still has warranty. 19 hours on it. 2601s or the 01 series does have a tilt steering wheel in them. They have a 3-range hydrostatic transmission. Tractor is going to have your 4-wheel drive in and out, joystick loader control, throttle pedal there. It does have cruise control also. It does have the armrest package here on the seat. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and fire this tractor up. We're going to run it around, show you that it does everything it is supposed to do. Here we go. We'll start out in low range, and then I'll go ahead and put full drive. It does have the skid steer quick Tach, which is really, really a nice thing. You'll want that on your tractor for sure. 4-wheel drive, we're going to show you here it works. 4-wheel drive out. Headlights, turn signals. Go ahead and go to medium range. Go ahead and go to high range. It's a great size little tractor. If you want to work around your property, run a brush hog, do different things, you can. Just a nice size little tractor to do that kind of work. Especially this time of year, we're getting all these little nuisance snows. And you want something nice and small, get around, push some snow. Nice size tractor for that. Bucket level indicator up here on the top of your bucket to kind of see where you're at. Four ways, turn signals, everything there works. Factory stickers are still on the bucket. Fellas, there it is, a like new tractor, 19 hours, still under factory powertrain warranty. If you got any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check our website, www.marksupplyco.com. We have a lot of different tractors for sale right now. Have a lot of nice selection of skid loader stuff. If you're looking for something different, let us know. We may have it in stock. 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.